Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a thumbnail in Wondershare Filmora. So let's start. First, we will open the Wondershare Filmora and we will click on New Project. So first thing, we require background for the thumbnail. So we will go to the Canva and under the templates, we will search YouTube thumbnail. Here you have a lot of options. The one with this mark are paid with the subscription. Without this mark, the thumbnail will be free. Let's say I want to choose this one. We will click on customize this template, and then what we can do, we will remove everything. We will click on share, download. After download, we will open Filmora. We will click on import and we will import the background here. The next part is the images. So I choose my photo. As you can see here, my photo is with the background. So I first thing, again, we will open any browser and we will remove the background of the picture. So now we will import image, adjust somewhere. So next thing is title. You can select any free title, double click on it, click on advanced, and here what we will do, we will delete and we will add the quick text here. We will write our main text visible for our audience. So here we will write how to grow on YouTube in 2026. We will drag the text on the right side and then we will click on preset, and here you will see the font options. So we will select the one which matches the color scheme. So we have selected the preset. Then we will hit to the customize, and here you will see a lot of options like outline and background and fill option as well. So you can adjust the settings as per your needs. Click on apply. Now let's head to the sticker tab and see what we can add more on our thumbnail. Let's say I want to add the YouTube logo as well. So we will select this, minimize, and we will put logo here. So we have added the logo. So this is very basic thing which I have just showed you. There is not much fancy. So you can adjust the text size, text color as per your requirement. So at the end, if you click on export, it will not allow you to export if you don't have the paid version of Filmora. So what you can do here, you can just simply click on snapshot, reselect, select any folder. So this is our thumbnail with the high quality we have just generated from Wondershare Filmora. So this is one of the most easiest way to create the thumbnail free of cost. So that's it. I showed you how to create a thumbnail. I took a help of Canva as well, and from Canva we can easily find the background images, and with Filmora we can edit the text, add the images and sticker as well. So that's it for today's short tutorial. See you in the next one.